Hello, and welcome to this video which details how to print recipients in the eFileMagick software application. This video assumes that you have created a company or filer and that you have added recipients to that company or filer by either importing those recipients through the Import Recipients screen or by manually entering them in the Manage Recipients screen. Additionally, this video assumes that you have validated all of the recipients for this company or filer in the Validate Recipients screen for basic formatting errors. Once you have completed those steps, you may proceed to print recipients. The print recipient screen is broken down into two sections. The top section of the screen details the available forms and the recipient quantities for this particular company that can be printed. The bottom section of the screen allows you to filter the recipients that you're printing. For instance, you may decide that you only want to print uncorrected recipients. You may also decide that you only want to print corrected recipients. Additionally, you have a number of options to further refine the recipients that you're printing based on the status of that recipient. If I select the 1099 miscellaneous form that I have in the demo software, I can see that the available form types change. As I filter through the different form types that the eFileMagick software supports, so do the available forms that can be printed. With the 1099 miscellaneous form, the eFileMagick software supports copy 1, copy B, copy 2, and copy C. It's important to note that the eFileMagick software requires e-filing services to be purchased by and provided by eFileMagick. Therefore, the software will not print copy A of any form, as it's not required. The eFile transmittal takes the place of copy A. Let's pretend that I want to print out all of the recipients for the 1099 miscellaneous form for this payer or filer. I select 1099 miscellaneous, I select copy B for recipients, and I click on the preview button. As you can see, the eFileMagick software displays a preview of how the forms will be printed. If I'm happy with this preview, I can close the preview window and select Print or Print to PDF. By clicking on the Print to PDF button, the software will indicate to me that printing can take a substantial amount of time depending on the number of forms that we have. However, in this case, I only have 100 recipients displayed, so the printing should happen quite fast. I'm going to go ahead and click Yes here. The system will spool all of the available files to be printed to the print spooler and ask me if I want to mark these recipients as printed. I'm going to go ahead and select Yes, and down in the bottom I can see that PDF Creator, which is the optional GPL software that's packaged with eFileMagick, is asking me what to name this document. So I'm going to call this 1099 miscellaneous forms for Test B Joe's Test Company, and I'm going to go ahead and select Save and save these to my desktop, and PDF Creator will create these PDF forms based on the information that I've input, and my PDF forms have been created. This concludes the printing recipients video with eFileMagick.